You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more confusing words. There are too many mispronounced, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This is a verb, and it is said as envelop, envelop, with a stress on that second va syllable, envelop. Now if you're looking for the noun, it's this one here, and here you can find how to pronounce it properly. But this one, envelop, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.